finally moving into the share house. Got out of the hostel. Had my piano like behind me and everything else. My dirty laundry. It's annoying. After staying basically like 6 days at a hostel, was it 6 days? 5 or 6 days. I feel like I'm done. I feel like I never want to stay at a hostel again. Just because, I don't know. Number one, the bed was not very good. It's very hard near the back because it's like split into like 3 parts. Then also like just being around, or in general, like a lot of people are there, right? It's what a hostel is like. So things are bound to get like dirtier, and things are kind of noisy sometimes. People just talk. So it really depends on the people, I guess. But still, considering how long I stayed, there's more like opportunities or more chances there's people who are messy and loud. That's what happened. Yeah, I didn't really like the experience that much. Overall, like, I mean, the staff were great, but I don't know, the hostel experience in general, I've done it a lot. I feel like I'm kind of done with it. Like, if I really, really need to because of like money purposes, maybe, but that's probably the last hostel I'm gonna stay in. I just feel like I need my own space after living in a share house and going to like better places like the ryokans and hotels in general, especially W Hotel. I just feel like I can't go back anymore. A part of me was thinking like, oh, I might get used to this. A part of me did get used to it. Like, I feel like you can get used to anything given enough time. But like, do I want to get used to it? No. But that's it for this one. I'm tired, but I'm just really happy that I moved into the share house. Okay, let's go.